For years, browsers stayed almost the same until AI entered the chat. This is Comet, an AI browser that doesn't just search the web, it thinks. So today, I'm testing Comet to see if this is actually the future of browsing, or just another AI gimmick. Right away, the interface already feels different. It looks more technical and futuristic compared to something traditional like Chrome. So let's actually test it. I asked it to open Wikipedia, and it instantly opened it in another tab. Then I searched for quantum computing. And honestly, this already looks way too complicated. So I used the assistant to summarize the webpage. And at first, the explanation was still kind of high level. So I typed, "Explain in simple language." And surprisingly, it actually simplified the topic really well. Instead of giving a super technical explanation, it explained quantum computing in a way that actually made sense. But then I found the craziest feature: voice mode. The browser can literally explain web pages using AI voice. At this point, it stopped feeling like a browser. It felt like an AI tutor.
Quantum computing uses quantum mechanics to process information in fundamentally different ways from classical computers. It uses qubits, which can represent both 0 and 1 at the same time through quantum superposition. This allows quantum computers to solve certain problems much faster, like breaking encryption or simulating molecules, though current technology is still experimental.
It was actually really cool. Now, of course, it's not perfect. At one point, I even got a message saying the free preview limit was reached. So yeah, some of the AI features still have limits. But then I tried another feature. I opened YouTube, went to a random video, so today and used the assistant to extract key takeaways. And honestly, it summarized the video surprisingly fast. Instead of watching the entire thing, the AI instantly pulled out the important points. And while testing all this, I realized something. Chrome feels familiar. Comet feels experimental. Traditional browsers help you access information. Comet tries to understand it for you. It's fast, responsive, and honestly really impressive. But it still feels like early AI technology in some places. And maybe that's what makes it exciting, because this might be the beginning of browsers becoming intelligent assistants. Comet still feels experimental, but honestly, this might be what the future of browsing looks like. Thanks for watching.